reality of wearing a lip gloss. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing good today. So in today's video I compiled all palettes that are under the price of rupees 300. All of these are amazing eyeshadow palettes, and if you are someone who's searching for a really affordable but good quality eyeshadow palette, I have these recommendations for you guys. So without further ado, let's get started. Also, if you are someone who's new to this channel, thank you so much for watching this video, and also you can hit the subscribe button if you are new. I post every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and a little bit of extra video here and there. So without further ado, let's get started. Also, I just wanted to say I'm posting so much more content on Instagram. I just think that if you want to see me there, you can follow me on Instagram as well. I'll leave all the handles and everything on the screen. So without further ado, let's get started. So first, the eyeshadow palette I'm going to talk about is the Mars eyeshadow palette, and this is what I have on my eyes right now. So this is like a perfect palette for me. I would say this has everything I need in a palette. I am someone, I don't like shimmer shadows, you guys know that, and this palette is full of matte shadows. This has only 2 shimmer shadows, yes, only 2, and the shimmer shadows are okay, but the mattes here are so good. I mean, they blend well, they are pigmented. You don't have to sit there and just spend your time on blending these eyeshadows, because just after 2 swipes they really blend very nicely. Also, these are pigmented. They look like they just pop on your eyelids so well. So I just feel like the color scheme of these eyeshadow palettes are also so good. There is a different types of these eyeshadow palettes that Mars has. I got the neutral one obviously, and they have a lilac purple one as well, so you can check all of that out. I feel like the formulation of these palettes are really good. They are not just pigmented, they are very blendable too. So if you're searching for a good neutral palette, I just feel like this would be a perfect choice, because you have your black also here. A lot of palettes don't carry the shade black, but this one has the shade black, and you can actually deepen up any eye look that you are creating with this shade. And this has this very light pale yellow too, which I like to just put it on the inner part, just to brighten up my eyes a little bit more. So I really like how beautiful, blendable everything, this palette has everything. And not only that, the color scheme is very cohesive as well. So the next eyeshadow palette I'm going to recommend you guys is the Nicka K eyeshadows. Now I would say these eyeshadows, you should go for them if you want a specific color theme. For example, this one screams fall to me, fall, autumn, winter, that type of this is that type of a palette. This one is very much more of a pinky brown neutral type of a palette. So if you want a particular theme of eyeshadows, for example lilacs, for example you want a colorful pinks, you want colorful reds, Nicka K has these quads, and not quads actually, they are not quads, but anyway 9-pen eyeshadow palette, which are amazing. The shimmers in here are pretty good too. So on pigmentation rating, I would give this a 7 out of 10. These are not the most pigmented eyeshadows ever, but I feel like sometimes when you are a beginner and you're just starting to work with eyeshadows, too much pigment can ruin an eye look, I feel like. So these are perfect. You do have to blend it well, and you have to pack on the eyeshadow a little bit more, but I feel like as a beginner, I think so it can be a perfect palette. Specifically if you are looking for a themed eyeshadow palette, then these are amazing. So these are not actually rupees 300. These are retails for around 600 rupees, yeah, 600 or 500 rupees, but they are always on off, and you can get this at around 250, 300, at around that price range. So I would say if this is like on the price mark of 500, don't buy it, wait for a sale, because these are always on sale. So get this whenever these are on sale. They are really good. So the next palette I have here is from SFR. So this is the SFR Baby Got Peach palette. Now I have to tell you guys that I really like this palette a lot, even though it is a complete copy of the ColourPop eyeshadow palette in the Baby Got Peach. The name is also similar, but I would definitely say the shadows in here are very similar to the ColourPop ones. Like, they feel so similar, and I think I got this for around the price of 250 rupees, so it's just very inexpensive. And honestly, yes, it does look like a total copy of the ColourPop eyeshadow palette, but I feel like I still really love it. The colors are so pigmented. There is a very fun glittery shade right here, so I just feel like it's amazing. The only thing that this palette lacks is that it doesn't have a deep enough shade for me. So all of these I like, they are very peachy toned, but there should be one shadow which should be a little bit deeper, so whenever I want to go a little bit deeper I can use that, but this palette doesn't have that. So I would say the shimmers in here aren't the best obviously, but I like the matte so much that I think it's okay for me to get this palette, especially because it is only 250 rupees. So I just don't mind spending my 250 rupees on a peachy toned eyeshadow palette. And it has this glitter shade as well, which is so fun. Like, this is like a total festival type of a glitter shade right here. So I just feel like for 250 rupees this palette is totally worth it. So the next palette I have here is the Swiss Beauty Ultimate Shadow Palette, and this is in 08. So I really like this palette so much, and I would suggest this to a beginner because of two reasons. Because the colors in here are really good, they are very pigmented and they are very easy to work with, and also it's not too intimidating. Like, you can see there are a little bit of colors here and there, but it's not a lot where you don't know what to do with so many colors. So if you are a beginner and if you are someone who just wants to dab your toes into colorful eyeshadow looks, I just feel like starting with a palette like this would be a good choice. Obviously you would definitely need your neutral palette along with this one to create eye looks, but I feel like having a palette like this is good. These are pigmented, you guys. These shadows are pigmented. Now I know I have had used such good colorful eyeshadows in the past, and I know when a colorful eyeshadow is good or not, and most of the times affordable colorful shadows aren't that good, and I have to tell you guys that. But I'm so glad I found a colorful eyeshadow palette that actually works so well, specifically because if you are someone who wants to do Instagram looks, all of that amazing, you know, creative type of looks, and you are confused what palette to get, what colorful palette to get, I think dabbing your toes into this kind of palettes would, you know, make you much more comfortable, and I just like this palette a lot. I would use one or two shades, just pop in with my neutral shades, and it would be fun. So I just like this shadows so much. They are very blendable, very pigmented, and they are very easy to work with as well. So the next palette I'm going to recommend you guys, I know you have seen this palette everywhere, even on Instagram I am posting about this palette, so that is why I tell you guys to follow me on Instagram, because I post like amazing makeup, fashion, even skincare content I'm posting these days. So anyway, this palette you can see right here, I really love it, and I would recommend this to a beginner because of two reasons. Here they have this shadows, these two shadows you see here, these are blushes, and these look amazing as peachy toned blushes. I'm telling you guys, these are amazing to work with as blushes too. So I just like this because of that, and I just feel like it's so cohesive that you can like totally look at this palette and you know what you're going to create. So as a beginner, I think so that is like a huge point, you know, you just look at a palette and you know that what you're going to create today. So that is also a very important thing to note about palettes. When a palette is not cohesive, you don't get that many ideas to, you know, what look to create. But when a palette is this cohesive, you know, all the shadows are really well thought out, and I just feel like it's so much easier, especially if you are a beginner. So anyway, this has these light tones, transition shades here. This has this is a darkest shade, this is like a cranberry type of a shade, and you have your four shimmers. Now as I said, I'm not much of a shimmer fan. The shimmers are pretty good. I would say you have to use your fingers in order for it to like pop out more. So I just feel like this would be such a good choice for beginners, and even I'm not a beginner, but I still love to use this eyeshadow palette. Like every time I'm doing my looks these days, I'm gravitating towards this eyeshadow palette because I love it so much. So that was it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. I really wanted this video to be very short, and I just wanted to recommend you some amazing eyeshadow palettes, and these are my recommendation. I love each and every palette that I mentioned today, and I use them on a daily basis. These aren't just like sitting in my collection. I use them consistently, and I really love each and every one of these. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. I wanted to say I will see you guys, and then I wanted to say I love you, so I blurred out I will love you guys a lot. So anyway, I will see you guys in my next video. And also, if you are new to this channel, thank you so much. I post affordable makeup, fashion and skincare related videos on this channel here, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.